Other injuries to the spinal cord. First is contusion. May result from direct blow on the spine or indirect violence. Penetrating wound. May occur without any associated fracture or dislocation of the cervix of the vertebra. Next is firearm wound. May cause a cord injury even when missile had not entered the cord. Laceration. May occur with a severe blow. Rarely the cord may completely severe. Penetrating wound. One is pithing, penetrating wound. Punctured wound between first to third cervical vertebra may cause instantaneous death. And wound with a blade in cervical region, the laminae are quite narrow. Even a light blade may easily enter the thumb and injure the spinal cord, especially when the victim is bending forward. Protrusion of an intervertebral disc may be caused by falls on buttocks. Lifting heavy weight, that is porter's neck, is due to sudden loading of heavy sacks up to 100 kg on porter's slightly flexed neck. This causes a forced twisting of neck with a predilection for injury to the upper cervical region, most commonly C3, C5. If the victim falls forward or backward, forced flexion or extension occurs, which produces injuries at more mobile for such a movement, the lower cervical level. Injuries due to porter's neck include a fracture of vertebral arches, dislocation, herniated disc, forward subluxation, overriding and locking of facet, shearing of pedicles, and compression fracture. They may injure spinal cord and also compresses adjacent spinal nerve root. Sites of injury. Common sites of injury in order of frequency are lower cervical region, then the commonest thoracolumbar region, upper cervical region. Effect. The level of spinal cord injury and associated effects are C3 and above. Loss of diaphragm function necessitating the use of a ventilator for breathing. C4 quadriplegia. This is the level of emergence of root serving the brachii plexus. T1, T2 paraplegia. Thank you.